Still trying to sort the mess out of there. This time behind the jib is stuck up, comes tumbling down. They still have a lot more challenge just to complete this race. Finally, the start of the Mum 30s with just 10 seconds to go. 52 tacks in there. A little late. Were they clear? This is going to be exciting. The bowman's yelling, go, go, go. Increasing tide, decreasing breeze. There's the gun. Oh my goodness, tacked right in front of them. Now they're going to try and luff up to get over the pin without hitting it. To the max has to tack onto port, but they're going to be able to cross everybody here at the pin end, which is lucky. Ooh, not so lucky for some others. Head to wind, hitting both the windward boat and possibly the pin. Will he make it across? Two Mum 30s are facing him on starboard. One can't make the pin. Now here's the bad news, folks. They also were over the line. And they're yelling, tack back, tack back. It's going to be Bill Healy to windward in 15, who puts the kibosh on that move. Stiletto went for the high-risk port tack start. Team Bold has to tack back. Guerra isn't up to speed. He's close to hitting the pin. Might as well make it perfect as the rest of the fleet now crosses the line. He's got no speed. Big power boat chop to make things work. It didn't pay off. Ouch. And the trimmer backs the jib, so that's good for at least the short run, but in the long run, they are in big trouble.
You're watching T2P TV.